What is the coefficient of x square? 4. Coefficient of y square? 6. What is the LCM? 12. 4 how many times? 3 times. Means x roots multiplied by 3 times. 6 how many times? 2 times. Y roots are multiplied by 2 times. What is the first one product? 4 into 2 root 7. 2 root 17 means 4 into 2. 8 root 17. But sum is how much? 8 plus root 17. One will be minus 8. Another one are minus root 17. Those are in initial roots or final roots? Initial roots. What are the final roots? Plus 8 comma plus root 17. Second one, what is the product value? 6 into 3, 18. But here 9 and 12. Sum will be 18 roots, product will be 18 root 17, but sum value 9 and 2 root 17. One will be minus 9, another one minus 2 root 17. Those are in initial roots or final roots? Initial roots. What are the final roots? Plus 9 plus 2 root 17. But first one are multiplied by 3 times or 2 times? 3 times. 3 8s are 24. 3 into root 70. 3 root 70. Second one 2 9s are 18. 2 into root 17. 4 root 17. 24 compared to 18. Greater or lesser? Greater. 24 compared to 4 root 17. Obviously greater, because root 17 means it is nearby 4 but less than 5. Root 17 more than 4 but less than 5. Obviously 24 is more than the 4 root 17. And 3 root 17 compared to 18 lesser, because it is more than 4 but less than 5 means 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. 3 root 17 is less than the which one? 18. Then answer? No relation. Next 162. 48 by x square minus 14 by x plus 1 equal to 0. Entire equation is multiplied by x square. Entire equation is multiplied by x square. Then we are getting which one? 48 minus 14x plus x square equal to 0. What is the product value? 14. Sum is 48. Okay. Then one will be plus 6. Another one are plus 8. Final roots are. Second one. Second equation also again entire equation is multiplied by y square. Then we are getting 45 plus y equal to 2y square. This one we return 2y square minus y minus 45 equal to 0. What is the product value? Negative 90. Sum value minus 1. Then initial roots are minus 10 plus 9. Okay. What is the coefficient of x square? 1. But coefficient of y square? 2. Means x roots multiplied by 2 times but y roots are multiplied by 1. What are the y final roots? Plus 10 comma minus 9. 6 to the how much? 12. 8 to the 16. 12 compared to 10 greater. 12 compared to minus 9 greater. 16 compared to 10 comma minus 9 greater. What is the answer? X is greater than y. Next 163. Equations are including root value. What is the first step? 162 divided by which one? 3. 162 divided by 3 means 54. 54. Product value 54 but sum value 15 root 3. 54 means it is written as 18 into 3. Sorry. Sum is 15. Sum is 15. One will be 9, another one 6. Minus 9 root 3, another one minus 6 root 3. What is the product? 162. That is divided by root value. What is the root value? 3. 162 by 3. We are getting how much? 54. That 54 we are consider product value. Product 54 but sum is how much? 15. Then one will be 9, another one are 6. Minus 9 root 3 minus 6 root 3. Those are in initial roots. What are the final roots? Plus 9 root 3 plus 6 root 3. Second one, what is the product value? 36. That is divided by root value. 36 by 2. We are getting how much? 18. Product is 18 but sum is 9. Then 1 will be 6. Another one are 3 or 6 into 3. How much? 18. 6 plus 3. 9. 1 will be minus 6 root 3. 6 root 2. Another one minus 3 root 2 or those are in initially negative or positive? Negative roots. But finally positive roots are 6 root 2 and 3 root 2. What is the answer? 9 root 3 compared to 6 root 2. Greater. 9 root 3 compared to 3 root 2. Greater. 6 root 3 compared to 6 root 2. Greater. 6 root 3 compared to 3 root 2. Greater. What is the answer? X is greater than Y. Next 164. 164. 0.25 x square plus 3.5 x plus 11.25 equal to 0. 0.25 double 0.5. 0.5 double 1 means entire equation is multiplied by 4. Total equation is multiplied by 4. First one we are getting x square plus 14x plus 45 equal to 0. Yes or no? Second equation 0.5 double how much? 1 means it is multiplied by 2 times or first term is multiplied by 2 times means entire equation also multiplied by 2 times. Then we are getting y square plus 16y plus 63 equal to 0. Regular quadratic equation. What are the product? First one product 45, sum is 14. What are the roots? Minus 9, minus 5. Second one, what is the product value? 63, sum is 16. What are the final roots? Minus 7, minus 9. Negative 9 compared to negative 7. Obviously minus 7, it is a nearby value of minus 7 is in between value of minus 9 and minus 5. One case it will be greater, another case are less. Then answer no relation. Minus 7 is the in between value of minus 9 minus 5. Obviously one case we are getting greater, another case are less. 165. What is the right hand side value? 1600 power 1 by 2. That is consider square root of 1600. How much value we are getting right hand side? 40. Second one 4 root 484. That is 22. 4x plus 3y equal to 40. 6x minus 5y equal to 22. Simplify these two equations. We are get the x comma y values are two linear equations. Then first equation not required. First eliminate the x value, after that we are get the y value. First eliminate the x value means first equation is multiplied by how many times? 3 times. Second equation is multiplied by 2 times. Sir. 3 3 is how much? 9y. 3 into 40 120. Second one 2 into 5y 10y. 2 into 22 44. And here first equation minus second equation means negative, positive, negative. 9y and 10y both are adding 19y. 120 minus 44, that will be 76. 19y 76, y value are 4. Substitute the y value either first equation or second equation. Substitute the y value in second equation. 5 4 the how much? 20. Minus 20 becomes plus 20. 22 plus 20. 42. That is equal to 6x. X equal to 7. X value 7, y value 4. What is the answer? X is greater than y. Next question number 166. A bus starts at the bus stop and reaches its destination in 5 hours. If it travels the first half and the second half at the speed of 30 km per hour and 40 km per hour respectively, and find the approximate distance between bus stop and destination. Half distance are covered or total distance? Half distance. Okay. First case half distance means we return d by 2. It is covered with a speed of 30. Second case also half distance d by 2. It is covered with a speed of 40. These two are adding, we are get the total time. What is the total time? 5 hours. Okay. What are the denominators? 30 and 40. left hand side denominator 2, it will become right hand side multiplied by 12. 5 2 the how much? 10. What is the LCM of 30 and 40? 120. 30 how many times? 4 times. 40 3 times. 4 plus 3 7. 70 by 120. Calculation easy కోసం ఇలా తీసుకున్నాను. 7 almost how many times? 17 times. Then answer 17 into 10 nearby 170. What is the approximate value? 171. If anyone need exact value, it is 1200 by which one? 700. 120 into 10 how much? 1200 divide by 7. 7 almost 17 times. What is the remaining? 10. 10 means how many times? 1 time. That will be 171 something. Next 167. A sum of money is lent for 2 years at 20% per annum on compound interest. It yields 2.41 more when compounded semi-annually than compounded annually. What the sum will be lent? Simply we are say difference between 2 years compounded annually and semi-annually. First 20% for 2 years or the compound interest for annual basis 44%, that is annual basis interest or half yearly basis? Annual basis. But in semi-annually means interest is calculated every 6 months. Every 6 months. For the 1 year rate of person 10%, 6 months rate of person 10%. Okay. In 2 years of time, how many 6 months are there? 4. First 6, second 6, third 6, last 6. 10% how many times we need? 4 times. 10% for 4 times. Or the compound interest 46.41. How much percent are additionally getting? 2.41%. That is equal to how many rupees? 2.41. What is the question here? Sum value. How much percent we need? 100%. What is the answer? 100 percent. Compound interest basic point 10% for 2 times 21, 10% for 3 times 33.1, 10% for 4 times 46.41, 20% for 2 times 44. 168. Profit earned after selling the product for 650 is the same as the loss after selling it for 570. What is the cost price of the product? And here profit equal to which one? Loss. When profit equal to loss, then directly we written cost price equal to which one? Average of selling prices or sum of the selling price? Average of selling price. What is the first one selling price? 650. Second one selling price 570. What is the sum of the selling prices? 1220. Average means divide by 2 or not? What is the answer? 16 or not? When profit equal to loss, simply we written cost price is average of selling prices or sum of the selling price? Average of selling price. Next 169. Two trains have respective lengths of 250 meters and 140 meters. They cross each other completely in 16 seconds if they are traveling in opposite direction in 32 seconds. If they are traveling in same direction, then find the ratio of the speeds of two trains. And speed of the longer train is more than that of the speed of the shorter train. And here two trains are, if they are moving in opposite direction or same direction, distance will be same distance or different distance? Same distance. In opposite direction, what is the total distance? Length of the first train plus length of the second train. Same direction also, total distance are length of the first train plus length of the second train. Means either opposite direction or same direction, distance will be constant or changed. Constant or distance or constant means time and speed is always inversely proportional. What is the time in opposite direction? Time in opposite direction 16 seconds. 16 seconds if they are traveling in opposite direction. Opposite time 16 seconds. Same direction time 32 seconds. What is the time ratio? 1:2. Obviously speeds ratio 2:1. And here 2 is represents S1 plus S2. 1 is represents S1 minus S2. then S1 by S2 equal to both are adding by 2 and both are subtracting by 2. One will be 2 plus 1, another one 2 minus 1. What is the 2 plus 1? 3. 2 minus 1? 1. What is the ratio? 3 is to 1. 2 means that is S1 plus S2 or S1 minus S2. S1 plus S2. 1 means S1 minus S2. If you required S1 value, both are adding by 2 or subtracting by 2. Adding by 2. If you required S2 value, both are in subtracting by 2. Next question number 170. The average of class of 22 students increased by 3 when 3 new students are joined. After joining the 3 new students, the average are increased by 3 years. If the original average age was 15 years, find the sum of the ages of 3 students who are joined. Initially, how many students are there? 22 students. What is the original average? 15. 22 into 15 means what is the sum value? 330. That is initial sum of 22 students. Again, how many members are added? 3 members. Total how many members? 25. After adding 3 members, the average increased by how much? 3. Already average 15. The new average 18. 25 into 18. That is 450. Out of 18 persons, we are subtracting 15% sum. We are get the remaining 120. That 120 is the sum of the how many persons? 3 persons. Easy question kada. Calculation చేస్తే సరిపోతుందా లేదా? దానికి మళ్ళీ డీవియేషన్ మెథడ్, అలిగేషన్ ఇవన్నీ అవసరం లేదా? 22 persons and 25 persons. Difference will be 3 persons somewhere. Next question number 171. The manufacturer of an article makes a profit of 15%. The wholesaler dealer makes a profit of 20%. And the retailer makes a profit of 25%. Find the manufacturing cost of the article. If the retailer sold it for how many rupees? 8625. Suppose manufacturer value we are consider 100%. Manufacturer price 100%. But he sold it how much percent or profit? 15%. Means selling price is 115. And wholesale dealer means wholesale dealer price is how much? 115. Again it is sold at 20% profit. What is the 10%? 11.5. 20%? 23. 115 plus 23. 138. That 138 is the selling price of wholesaler. It is also equal to retailer cost price. Okay. Again it is sold at a profit of how much? 25%. 25% profit means 25% of which one? 138. What is the half of the 138? 69. What is the half of the 69? 34.5. Adding or subtracting? Adding. 138 plus 34.5. Total it is how much? 172.5. That 172.5%, it is which one selling price? Retailer selling price. What is the retailer cost price? 138. What is the retailer selling price? 172.5. In place of this one, how many rupees are given? 8625. But we required which one? Manufacturing cost. What is the manufacturing cost? 100%. Almost how many times? 5 times. What is the answer? 5000. Next 172. Question number 172. Anil bought a plot for 300 rupees per square feet. After some days, he sold 30% of the plot for 350 rupees per square feet and the rest at 400 rupees per square feet. If the dimensions of the plot are 20 feet and 25 feet, then find his total profit in this transaction. First of all, what are the plot measurements? 20 feet, 25 feet. What is the area? 500 square feet. Area means length into breadth. 20 into 25. 500. That is total area. Okay. But every square feet how many rupees are? 300. 500 into 300. That is equal to cost price or selling price? Cost price. 5 3s are how much? 15. Again how many zeros? 40 sir. Next, how after some days he sold 30% of the plot, 350 rupees per square feet. What the actual plot? 500 square feet. In that how much percent? 30%. What the 30% of 500? 150 or not? That 150 square feet is sold for every square feet how many rupees? 350 or not? Okay. Out of 500 square feet, 150 are sold first time. Or the remaining 350 square feet, sir. 350 square feet. That 350 square feet is sold at 400 rupees per square feet. What the actual rectangle? 500 square feet, sir. What the flat? Actual flat 500 square feet. In that first time 30%. What the 30% of 500? 150 square feet. What the remaining? 350 square feet, sir. The 350 square feet, every square feet how many rupees? 400. These two are adding, we are get the selling price of the total 500 square feet, sir. Yes or no? First, what is the common value? 350 common. Then we return 350 into which one? 550 and 350 into 550. What is the middle value? 450. 350, 550. What is the middle value? 450. Compared to 450, one will be 100 less, another one 100 more. What is the 45 square? 2025. What is the 10 square? 100. Subtracting. What is the remaining value? 1925. 00. Compared to 450, 100 less. Compared to 450, 100 more. Means 450 square minus 100 square. That will be 192500. But we required profit value or selling price? Profit value. What is the cost price? 1500. Selling price 1925. What is the profit value? 42500. Next question number 173. P alone can finish the work in how many days? 14 days. Working 6 hours a day. Means what is the P total time? 84 hours, sir. 84 hours. Q alone can finish the work 12 days. Working 6 hours a day. Per day 6 hours. Total work is completed 72 hours, sir. P and Q started working together. P will work for 4 hours per day. Per day 4 hours work చేస్తున్నా 84 hours. It will be taken how many days? 21 days, sir. Yes or no? Every day 4 hours. Then 84 hours how much time are taken? 21 days. Means for the same every day 4 hours means the total work is complete how many days? 21 days. Second one, Q for every day how many hours are working? 2 hours. Total work is completed 72 hours. Per day 2 hours are working means how much time are taken? 36 days. Based on given condition, P alone can complete the whole work in 21 days. Q alone can complete the same work in 36 days. But we required find the number of days taken to complete the work or not. Means we required together or individual? Together. Together means we return product to by sum. One will be 21, another one 36. 21 plus 36 means 57. Numerator 3, 7 times. Denominator 19. 7 into 36 means 252. Divide by 19. Which option? First one. First hours. After that again days. 174. The speed of the boat in still water is 25 km per hour. The time taken by the boat to cover 72 km downstream is twice the time taken by the boat to cover 24 km upstream. What is the time taken to cover 15 km upstream or downstream? Upstream. Okay. And here one will be downstream, another one upstream. What is the distance ratio? 3:1. What is the distance ratio? 3:1. But here downstream time compared to upstream time, how many times? Twice. Suppose time in upstream 1 part, time in upstream 1 part, time in downstream 2 parts, sir. Then what is the speed ratio? Distance by time means first one 3/2, second one 1/1. What is the speed ratio? 3:12. Downstream speed 3 parts, upstream speed 2 parts, sir. Then m value is how much? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 by 2 parts, sir. What is the s value? 1/2 parts, sir. 5/2 parts means how much? 2.5 parts, sir. What is the 2.5 parts value? 25. What is the half part value? 5. Okay. What is the question here? Time taken to cover 15 kilometers upstream or downstream? Upstream. What is the distance value? 15. What is the upstream speed? M minus s or m plus s? M minus s. 25 minus 5. How much? 20. In converted to which one? Minutes, sir. Multiplied by 60. 20 almost 3. 15 3 the 45. A box consists of 20 balls, yellow, blue, green. If 2 balls are picked from the box randomly with replacement or without replacement? Without replacement. The probability of getting neither blue nor green. Neither blue nor green means only yellow. Only yellow. Find the total number of blue and green balls. Total how many balls are there? 20. In the 20 we are consider yellow value y. Number of yellow balls are y. Out of y we are choose how many balls? 2 balls, sir. Then we return yc2 by total how many balls? 20 c2. Event size by sample size yc2 by 20 c2, that is equal to, what is the probability? 9 by 38. Let's consider yellow balls are y. Neither blue nor green means only yellow. Then we return yc2 by 20 c2, that is equal to 9 by 38. 20 c2 means 20 into 19 by 1 into 2. yc2 means y into y minus 1 by 1 into 2. Then numerator we return y into y minus 1. Denominator 20 into 19, that is equal to 9 by 38. 38 almost how many times? 10 times, sir. Y into y minus 1 equal to 9 means y must be 10. Means how many yellow balls are there? 10. Out of the 20, yellow are 10 means blue plus green also 10. What is the question here? Total number of blue and green. How many balls are there? 10.